Hi, I'm James with TVS Pro, and this video is the Mavic 2 Pro versus Zoom and even the Phantom 4 Pro. And let me tell you, you are absolutely going to be shocked at how this Mavic 2 Pro fares up against even the Phantom 4 Pro. In fact, I'm using auto track with it right now. My thumbs are off the sticks as we're talking, and it's just recording the audio that you're hearing. I want to thank Jerry with Sennheiser for sending me these Ambio Smart headsets. It's a pair of earbuds with stereo mics on either side. Going into my phone, that's the audio that you're seeing, or hearing rather. Now the Zoom, in my personal opinion, is going to be more consumer driven. Yeah, that Zoom is going to get us in tighter and give us a cool parallax effect, but truly, even the Phantom 4 Pro can't compete with the image quality and especially the dynamic range that this Mavic 2 Pro has. Both have got a 1-inch sensor. Both are made by Sony. But the big difference here is that the Mavic 2 Pro has got Hasselblad color, 10-bit D-Log, and 14 stops of dynamic range. Those features, I feel, are going to put the Mavic 2 Pro as a Phantom 4 Pro or Pro Plus killer. Among the image quality, they've improved a lot of the features, including auto track. I am in a really tight spot here with all kinds of trees, walking this whole time, and it's just tracking me. If you want to see how tight this thing can weasel in and out of corners, well then I recommend that you watch our full instruction video on the Mavic 2. So I'm going to let this image quality speak for itself. Jake, roll that beautiful Mavic 2 footage. Some of the things you should be looking for in that video are color for one, dynamic range for another. You've got really good color on the Mavic 2 Pro. And the Phantom 4 Pro does really good, far better than the Mavic 2 Zoom, I'll tell you that. But even the color replication, the dynamic range, even facing into the sun, I expected to see darkness down below in those trees, and actually you're seeing a lot of detail and color. You're not crushing those blacks. even when that Mavic 2 Pro camera is facing the sun. I've been really enjoying this auto track mode. I can't believe how accurate it is. I thank you for watching. I'm James with TVS Pro. You're welcome to shoot me an email at jamesb@tvspec.com. Feel free to send me some comments or leave some questions behind if it's pretty basic. I'm going to run into this easier than the Mavic will. And I'll try to get to those comments as quickly as I can. Please hit that subscribe button. Watch for further videos. And as always, good luck and happy flying. Let's just see here how this thing fares in a playground. Will it follow me under the monkey bars? I'm still recording. I'm watching. Under that tree? Yeah, it's right under the tree. Let's see. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Huh? I'm going over here. Now what? You just gonna go over the top of that? Yeah, you're just, no problem. That was too easy. Let's see if we can give you something a little bit harder. Okay, let's come over this way, okay? We'll go over here. What if I weasel in and out of that? Huh? Huh? What you gonna do now? Just gonna go over the top? Gonna wig out? Huh? No? This thing is amazing! Okay. Well, let's see. You're gonna back up into that pole? No, you're not. You're gonna increase the altitude a little bit. It's easier. Okay, let's go down this slide. Should we go down this slide? Now, I'm not running. Maybe I should be running. This is amazing. Okay. Oh, it lost me. It finally lost me. The playground. You can't compete with the playground. Oh, there it found me again. Okay. Going over here? No. It lost me. It thinks this pole. It confuses this pole. Okay, so what if we go over here? I'm over here, dude. Oh, yeah. Now it's got me. Now it's got me. Should I go down this slide? What you gonna do? You got me? Yeah, you got me. Okay. Here we go. Whoa! It thought the pole. Well, there it sees me. Yeah, it's got me now. Well, the great equalizer, the playground. Still